Hey everybody, Cory from CJ's here. Today we have the Gladiator back in for another video. This time we're going to be talking about the taillights because they look a lot different from the factory ones. JP, why don't you tell us about them?
Sure thing, Cory. So we're extremely excited about these taillights. As you can see, they bring a really cool look to the rear of the Jeep, as well as offering some functional upgrades. First, we have our high-powered reverse light. We have the Oracle signature LED styling, and these solve an inherent issue of the OEM taillights sticking out extremely too far. When off-roading, these become huge targets for rocks and sticks. So we were able to solve that with this wraparound design.
So these taillights look great, they have a great function to them as well, but how about installing them?
So these are a direct replacement for the OEM taillights, plug and play, and they also work with the blind spot sensors for the OEM LED option.
So there you have it. These taillights, they look great, they're easy to install, and if you want any more Oracle products, make sure to check out cjponyparts.com.